There are two types of people in this world: those who give up when life gets hard, and those who keep fighting no matter what happens. The difference isn't how smart they are or how lucky they get, it's their attitude. Having a positive mental attitude means you can see through tough times and still believe things will work out. It's the secret weapon that turns failure into success. Your mind is always being influenced by something. If you don't control what goes into it, the world will fill it with fear, doubt, and negativity. You are the only one who can decide what thoughts you allow in your head. What you think about becomes your reality. If you constantly think negative thoughts, your life will reflect that. But if you fill your mind with positive, powerful thoughts, your life will change for the better. You can't build a strong mindset without having a clear goal. You need something you want so badly that even when you fail, you keep trying. People who drift through life without purpose are easily defeated. But when you know exactly what you want and believe you can get it, nothing can stop you. Wake up every day with fire in your heart and a clear vision of where you're going. Negative thoughts are like unwelcome guests that will take over your mind if you let them. When you catch yourself thinking fearful, doubtful, or angry thoughts, stop them immediately. Replace them with thoughts of gratitude, faith, and strength. Tell yourself, I was not born to be broken. I am strong and capable of achieving great things. The way you talk to yourself matters more than anything else. If you constantly tell yourself, I can't do this or nothing works for me, your mind will believe it. But if you tell yourself every day, I will succeed and I am powerful beyond measure, your subconscious mind will start working to make it true. It might feel strange at first, but keep doing it. Repetition is the key to changing your beliefs. You cannot have a strong mindset without self-discipline. This means doing what you need to do even when you don't feel like it. Choose to read instead of scrolling on your phone. Get up early instead of staying in bed. Speak positively instead of complaining. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you become mentally stronger. Every difficult situation carries a hidden benefit if you look for it. The greatest lessons come from the hardest times, not the easy ones. When something bad happens, ask yourself, what is this teaching me? How can I grow from this? This way you become unbreakable because you know that every setback is just preparing you. You cannot control what happens to you, but you can always control how you respond. Two people can face the same problem. One becomes bitter and gives up, while the other becomes stronger and wiser. The difference is their attitude. When life hits you hard, you get to choose, will this break me or make me stronger? The people you spend time with and the content you consume will shape your mindset. Stay away from negative people who complain all the time and bring you down. Surround yourself with positive, encouraging people who believe in growth and success. What you put into your mind through your ears and eyes will affect your spirit and your attitude. You don't need anyone's approval to develop a strong, positive mindset. You don't need special education or a fancy title. You just need to make a decision. A decision to own your thoughts, to lead your mind instead of letting it wander, and to become the kind of person that nothing can break. The final piece of building an unbreakable mindset is having a clear, burning purpose. Ask yourself, what do I want so badly that I'm willing to suffer for it? What kind of life would make all my struggles worth it? Once you know this, let it drive everything you do. Write it down, say it out loud, and feel it in your heart every day. Your attitude is like a precious treasure that you must guard carefully. Protect it from negative influences, toxic people, and your own inner critic. Don't let other people or situations decide how you feel or what your life means. That power belongs to you alone. If you make this choice, you won't just build success mice, you'll build a life worth living, a life that makes a difference and leaves a lasting impact. The power of an unbreakable positive mindset is yours if you decide to claim it. From this day forward, let everything you think, say, and do declare to the world, I am unshakable, I am unstoppable, I am unbreakable.